Okay, don't laugh, but I think I might be in a situationship.
Wait, what? You a situationship?
Why do you sound so shocked?
Because you've been telling me for 3 months that you're just talking to this guy.
Well, we are just talking.
Rose, you text him every morning, you talk every night, and you've gone out together 5 times.
Okay, when you say it like that, it sounds a little different.
That's because it is different.
So, what exactly is a situationship?
It's basically when two people have a romantic connection, but they haven't clearly defined their relationship.
So, we're more than friends, but we're not officially dating?
Exactly.
Oh no.
What? I think you just described my entire love life. Ha! I knew it. I knew something was going on.
Okay. Maybe I should explain the whole story.
Yes, please, start from the beginning.
Okay, so his name is Alex.
Alex.
Yes, Alex.
And when did you meet him?
We met about 5 months ago at a coffee shop.
5 months ago?
Yeah.
And you've been just talking for 3 months.
Yes.
And what were you doing for the first 2 months?
Getting to know him.
Isn't that what you've been doing for the last 3 months?
Okay, technically, yes.
So what happened at the coffee shop?
Well, I was sitting alone working on my laptop, and he was sitting at the table next to me.
Did he talk to you first?
Yes.
Oh, so he made the first move.
Don't make it sound so dramatic.
I'm just saying that's important information.
He asked if the chair next to me was free.
And?
I said yes.
And then?
He sat down.
Rose, I'm waiting for the interesting part.
Okay, we started talking. We talked about our jobs, our favorite movies, music, travel.
Sounds normal so far.
Then we realized we had a lot in common.
Like what?
We both love coffee.
That's not exactly rare.
Okay, fine. We both loved watching movies late at night.
Better.
We both hate crowded places.
I can relate to that.
And we both have the same favorite band.
Okay, now we're getting somewhere.
So we talked for almost 2 hours.
2 hours?
Yes.
And then what happened?
He asked for my Instagram.
Ah, there it is.
What?
That's how it starts.
What do you mean?
Can I have your Instagram? That's modern dating language.
Maybe.
So, did you give it to him?
Obviously.
And did he message you?
That same night.
Okay, that's a good sign.
He sent me a message saying it was really nice talking to you today.
That's cute.
I thought so too.
And what did you say?
I said, yeah, I had a really good time too.
Very romantic.
What was I supposed to say?
I don't know, maybe I haven't stopped thinking about you.
Absolutely not.
Why not?
Because I had literally just met him.
Fair enough.
Anyway, we started texting.
Every day?
Not at first.
Okay.
But after a few weeks, yes, every single day.
Curious. What did you talk about?
Everything.
Everything?
Our days, our families, our friends, our dreams.
Sounds serious.
We also sent each other memes.
Ah, never mind. Just a friendship.
Stop.
I'm kidding.
We started talking about personal things too.
Like?
Things we don't usually tell other people.
Okay, so there was definitely a connection.
I think so.
Did you like him?
At first, I wasn't sure.
Really?
I thought he was attractive and I enjoyed talking to him, but I didn't know if I actually liked him romantically.
That's normal.
But then something changed.
What?
I started looking forward to his messages.
Oh no.
What?
You're catching feelings.
Am I?
Definitely.
What does catching feelings mean exactly?
It means you are starting to develop romantic feelings for someone.
So basically, I started liking him?
Exactly.
Yeah, I think I was catching feelings.
And did you tell him?
No,
Why not?
because I wasn't sure how he felt about me.
But you said you talked every day.
Yes?
And he messaged you first sometimes?
Yes.
And he asked you to hang out.
Yes?
And you still didn't know if he liked you.
It's not that simple.
Okay, explain.
Sometimes he was really interested in me.
What do you mean?
He would text me first thing in the morning.
That's a good sign.
He would ask about my day.
Another good sign.
He remembered little things I told him.
That's definitely a good sign.
And he would sometimes say things like, I really like talking to you.
Okay, that's a very good sign.
But then,
Here comes the but.
sometimes he would suddenly become distant.
Distant?
Yeah. He would take hours to reply,
How many hours?
sometimes 6 or 7.
That's not necessarily a problem.
But he used to reply much faster.
Okay.
And sometimes he wouldn't message me for an entire day.
Hmm,
Then he would come back the next day and act completely normal.
that's a little strange.
Exactly.
So he was giving you mixed signals.
Yes, that's the phrase I was looking for.
Mixed signals mean someone's words or actions make you unsure about how they really feel.
That's exactly what was happening.
One day he acts like he really likes you.
Yes,
The next day he acts like you're just a friend.
exactly.
That's confusing.
Very confusing.
Did you ever ask him why he was acting like that?
No,
Why?
because I didn't want to seem needy.
What do you mean by needy?
Someone who needs a lot of attention or reassurance from another person.
Got it.
I didn't want him to think I was constantly waiting for his messages.
But were you?
Maybe.
Rose,
Okay, fine. Maybe I checked my phone a few times.
a few times?
More than a few.
How many?
That's not important.
It is very important.
Let's move on.
Fine.
Anyway, I decided to just go with the flow.
Go with the flow. That's a useful expression.
It means to let things happen naturally instead of trying to control everything.
Exactly.
So I thought, let's just go with the flow and see what happens.
And did that work?
Not really.
I knew it.
The problem was that I wanted to know where we stood.
Ah, another useful expression.
Where we stand means understanding the current situation between two people.
For example, you might say, I just want to know where we stand.
Exactly.
So you wanted to know where you and Alex stood,
Yes.
but you never asked him.
No,
Why?
because I was scared.
Scared of what?
I was afraid that if I asked him what we were, he might say he didn't want a relationship.
And then you'd be hurt.
Exactly.
So you preferred to stay confused.
When you say it like that,
I'm just being honest.
I know.
But that's actually how situationships can happen.
How?
Two people like each other, but neither person wants to have the difficult conversation.
So they just keep talking,
Exactly.
and nobody knows what's happening.
Right.
And that's when you start thinking, what are we?
Exactly.
That's literally the question I wanted to ask.
Did you ever ask him?
Not directly.
What did you ask?
I asked him if he was seeing anyone else.
And what did he say?
He said no.
Okay.
Then he asked me the same question.
And?
I said no.
So you were both single.
Technically.
Technically,
Well, we were both single, but we were also talking to each other.
that's still single.
I guess.
Were you exclusive?
No.
Did you discuss being exclusive?
No.
Then you weren't exclusive.
Probably not.
Probably.
Okay, we weren't exclusive.
So what does exclusive mean?
It means two people agree to only date each other and not see other people romantically.
Right.
So if you're not exclusive, you might still be talking to or dating other people.
Exactly.
But I wasn't talking to anyone else.
Did you know if Alex was?
No.
Did you ask?
No.
Rose,
I know.
you really need to communicate.
I'm learning.
Slowly.
Very slowly.
Okay, so what happened next?
We went out for coffee.
Again.
Yes.
How romantic.
It was just coffee.
You always say that.
Because it was.
How long did you stay this time?
4 hours.
4 hours is not just coffee.
We talked a lot.
About what?
Our future.
Your future?
Not our future together.
Oh,
We talked about where we wanted to live, our careers, travel.
okay, that's pretty personal.
I know.
Did you have chemistry?
Yes.
Chemistry?
In this context, chemistry means that two people naturally connect and enjoy being together.
So did you and Alex have chemistry?
I think we did.
How did you feel when you were together?
Comfortable.
That's good.
I could be myself around him.
That's important.
We laughed a lot.
Another good sign.
And we could talk for hours without getting bored.
Sounds like chemistry to me.
Yeah.
So what happened after the coffee?
He walked me home.
Of course he did.
And then he said something that confused me.
What?
He said, I really enjoy spending time with you.
That's not confusing.
Then he said, I don't want to ruin what we have.
Oh,
Exactly.
that's a little more complicated.
I know.
Did you ask him what he meant?
No.
Of course not.
Stop judging me.
I'm not judging you.
You are.
A little.
Anyway, I went home and thought about it all night.
What did you think he meant?
I thought maybe he liked me but was afraid of commitment.
That's possible.
Or maybe he only saw me as a friend.
Also possible.
Or maybe he wanted something casual.
Also possible.
Exactly.
So you had 3 possible explanations.
At least,
And which one was correct?
I had no idea.
Because you didn't ask.
I know.
This is why communication matters.
Okay, Professor.
I'm just saying.
The next morning, he texted me.
What did he say?
Good morning. Hope you have a great day.
That's cute.
I thought so too.
And then?
We started talking like normal.
So you never discussed what he meant?
No,
Rose,
I was nervous.
you're making this very difficult.
I know.
So how long did this continue?
Another month.
Another month?
Yes.
You were in a situationship for 4 months?
Technically, yes.
That's a long time to be confused.
Tell me about it.
So what finally changed?
I started feeling tired.
Tired?
Emotionally tired.
I understand.
I was constantly wondering what he was thinking.
That's exhausting.
Every time he took a long time to reply, I wondered if something was wrong.
And every time he replied quickly, you felt better.
Exactly.
That's a roller coaster.
It really was.
So you decided to talk to him?
Yes.
Finally!
I know.
How did you start the conversation?
I sent him a message.
What did you say?
I said, "Hey, can I ask you something?"
That's a scary opening.
I know.
What did he say?
He said, "Sure, what's up?"
And then?
I almost didn't reply.
Of course.
I stared at the screen for about 10 minutes.
10 minutes.
Maybe 20.
Rose,
Okay, fine. 30.
you are impossible.
Anyway, I finally wrote, "I've been thinking about us, and I just want to know where we stand."
That's actually a very good way to say it.
Thank you.
What did he say?
He didn't reply immediately.
Oh no.
He took about an hour,
That's not too bad.
but that hour felt like a year.
I can imagine.
Then he replied,
What did he say?
"I've been thinking about us too."
Oh,
I was shocked
why?
because I didn't realize he was thinking about us.
What else did he say?
He said, "I really like you, but I wasn't sure if you wanted something serious."
Wait, what?
Exactly.
He thought you didn't want something serious?
Apparently,
Why?
because I was giving him mixed signals too.
So you were both confused.
Yes.
That's actually kind of funny.
It wasn't funny at the time.
Fair enough.
He said sometimes I seemed really interested and other times I seemed distant.
Were you?
Maybe.
Why?
Because I was scared of getting hurt.
So you were protecting yourself.
I think so.
And he was probably doing the same thing.
Exactly.
That's how people end up in situationships.
Two people like each other, but they're both afraid to be honest.
And then they spend months wondering, what are we?
Exactly.
So what happened after that conversation?
We decided to meet in person.
Good.
We talked for almost 2 hours.
Again with the 2-hour conversations.
I know.
What did you talk about?
Everything.
Did you finally tell him you liked him?
Yes.
How did that feel?
Terrifying.
And?
Relieving.
That's a good combination.
I told him that I was catching feelings and that I didn't want to keep guessing how he felt.
That's very honest.
I wanted to know if we were on the same page.
Another useful expression.
To be on the same page means to have the same understanding or expectations about something.
So were you and Alex on the same page?
We were, actually.
Really?
Yes.
What did he say?
He said he wanted to date me.
Finally.
I know.
So you're officially together.
Yes.
Congratulations.
Thank you.
How does it feel?
Honestly,
Honestly.
peaceful.
Peaceful?
Yeah, I don't have to constantly wonder what he thinks anymore.
That's a big difference.
I know where I stand.
And that's what you wanted from the beginning.
Exactly.
So what's the biggest lesson you learned?
Don't be afraid to communicate.
That's a good one.
If you're confused about a relationship, ask questions.
Even if the answer might not be what you want.
Exactly.
Because not knowing can be worse.
So true.
And don't spend months analyzing someone's text messages.
That's very specific.
I'm just saying.
Okay, fine.
So, let's review some useful English expressions from your situationship story.
Let's do it.
First phrase, we're just talking.
This means you're getting to know someone romantically, but you're not officially dating.
For example, are you dating Alex?
No, we're just talking.
Simple and very useful.
Second phrase, I'm into him.
This means you like him romantically.
You can say, I think I'm really into him. You can also say, I'm into her or I'm into them.
Exactly. Third phrase, we're seeing each other.
This means two people are spending time together romantically or dating.
For example, we're not officially together, but we're seeing each other.
Fourth phrase, it's complicated.
This means a situation is difficult or confusing.
You can say, are you and Alex dating?
It's complicated.
The classic answer.
Fifth phrase, he's giving me mixed signals.
This means someone's behavior is confusing and you aren't sure how they feel.
For example, he texts me every morning, but sometimes he disappears. He's giving me mixed signals.
Sixth phrase, we're not exclusive.
This means you're dating or seeing each other, but you haven't agreed to only date each other.
You can say, we're seeing each other, but we're not exclusive yet.
Seventh phrase, he ghosted me.
To ghost someone means to suddenly stop communicating with them without explaining why.
For example, we were talking every day and then he ghosted me.
Hopefully that never happens to you.
Eighth phrase, we have chemistry.
This means two people naturally connect and enjoy being together.
For example, we talked for hours. We really have chemistry.
Ninth phrase, I'm catching feelings.
This means you're starting to develop romantic feelings for someone.
You can say, we started as friends, but I'm catching feelings.
And our final phrase, so what are we?
This is a question you can ask when you want to understand what kind of relationship you have with someone.
For example, we've been seeing each other for 3 months. So what are we?
4 simple words.
And sometimes the scariest 4 words in dating.
Absolutely.
Now it's your turn to practice.
We'll say 5 important phrases from today's conversation.
Listen first and then repeat after us.
I'm into him.
This means you like him romantically.
I'm into him.
He's giving me mixed signals.
This means his words or actions are confusing and you're not sure how he feels.
He's giving me mixed signals.
We're not exclusive.
This means you're seeing someone, but you haven't agreed to only date each other.
We're not exclusive.
I'm catching feelings.
This means you're starting to develop romantic feelings for someone.
I'm catching feelings.
So, what are we?
Use this question when you want to understand your relationship with someone.
So, what are we?
Great job.
Okay, it's quiz time.
Let's see how much you remember.
Question 1. You like someone romantically. What can you say?
A. I'm exclusive with him.
B. I'm into him.
C. He ghosted me.
Take a moment to think.
The answer is B. I'm into him.
Great job.
Question 2. Someone talks to you all day one day and then completely disappears the next day. What are they giving you?
A. Good chemistry.
B. Mixed signals.
C. A relationship.
Take a moment. The answer is B. Mixed signals.
Question 3. You and someone have been dating, but you've never agreed to date only each other. What can you say?
We're not
Exclusive.
exactly.
Question 4. You start developing romantic feelings for someone. What can you say?
I'm catching feelings.
Exactly.
And our final question. You've been seeing someone for 3 months, but you have no idea what your relationship is. The big question is...
So, what are we?
Exactly.
And that's the story of my situationship.
Which is now officially a relationship.
Thankfully.
And hopefully you've learned some useful English along the way.
Today, we talked about situationships, mixed signals, catching feelings, ghosting, chemistry, and more.
Now it's your turn.
Have you ever heard the word situationship before?
Or have you ever been in one?
You don't have to share the whole story.
But if you want to...
We're listening.
Exactly.
Tell us in the comments what English phrase from today's video was new for you.
And if you enjoyed learning English with us, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to English with Rosemary.
We'll see you in the next conversation.
Keep practicing your English.
And remember, sometimes the best way to improve your English is simply to start talking.
Bye.
Bye.